I'm getting questions around how to best utilize Amazon audiences and how you can actually utilize them as far as bid adjustments on sponsored product ads. My name is Noah Wickham. I'm VP of Sales and Marketing here at My Amazon Guy, and I recently got this question actually on one of our videos where I was talking about this, where essentially they say, "Hello, Noah. I was wondering if you could use more audience groups, each with its bid adjustment on the same campaign. On my side, whenever I add a new audience group on a campaign, the existing slash running one will be changed to the new one, so I cannot have multiple audiences at the same time. Would like to know if this is my problem only or it's general. Thanks and keep going." The answer there is actually it is not their problem. It is the general aspect of how audiences work on Amazon. So, whenever you're in any form of campaign, you are going to have this right here, where you can go over to your bid adjustments and then go to your audiences. And you'll notice here, it does not say add audience. It says change audience. And that is specific because yes, you can only utilize either one of the Amazon built-in audiences, or you can only utilize an AMC audience here. So you can only have one audience active at any given time in one campaign. Now, the really interesting part about this is that means that essentially you can utilize the same exact campaign in multiple different ways. And this is where essentially we're getting a layer deeper on any form of advertising. Rather than having a campaign that hits a bunch of different audience groups, you're going to get highly segmented with your campaigns. You're going to have many of the exact same campaign targeting the exact same keywords, yes, but you're going to focus them in different areas towards different customer niches. So they will have very different approaches, very different impressions, and as far as how many people are actually clicking and converting on them as well, because each one of those different audience groups is going to interact with your ad in a different way. Someone who is retargeted versus someone who is new to brand are going to likely have different conversion ratios. And so it is not just them who is seeing this, it's across the board for any type of sponsored ad or product whatsoever, is that you can only have one audience at a time. I think personally this is really cool from a segmentation standpoint where you can get really, really granular and have multiple of very similar, but not the exact same types of campaigns. So at the end of the day, if you are also having this issue, essentially the answer is no. You're not alone in the issue. In fact, it is meant to be like this so that you can actually segment and get really specific in your targeting for your campaigns.